Look at the cooler air, 44 degrees in Pittsburgh and 47 degrees in Cleveland and 42 degrees in Chicago. So some cooler air will be moving into the mid-Atlantic region. Low pressure system that's starting to organize itself in the Ohio Valley. Going to bring some showers and some thunderstorms to the Midwest for Sunday. And we're dealing with another round of rain showers. Some may be heavy at times as this big storm system is going to hit us hard this weekend, bringing in some gusty winds. I have not really seen a salt truck here since I've been out here this morning. And the sidewalks you can see are completely covered with ice. We got about 3 to 5 inches of snow. And then on top of it, that freezing rain last night, you can see it's just hard and crusty. So you can see some of those light rain showers in Pennsylvania turning over to a mixed precipitation, and we could see a couple wet snowflakes mixed in early Sunday morning. Do not be surprised, but more or less north and west of Baltimore and DC have the potential to see a couple wet snowflakes mixed in. I gotta say, I like the whiz though. I like extra whiz on my Philly cheesesteak. I'm sorry, but I do. Point. I have been scooting around, and this is the best way to see the city and the Inner Harbor. It's really fun. Let's go ahead and just see how much snow we have received here in Baltimore County. Putting this in, let's see if we've gotten any bit more. We're still right about an inch, but it is kind of still coming down outside this morning. That's going to continue as we have that winter storm warning in effect until 2 p.m. today. And we're going to kind of get a second round from that coastal low system. The other threat is going to be the winds today, because that coastal low system is a fast mover. It's going to bring in some really strong winds, so we're going to have the snow, the wind, and cold temperatures to deal with today. So we have a couple more days in the 80s before things do quiet down as well as cool down, but right now we're dealing with some clearing skies out there for today. We did see that sunshine and topped off at 85 degrees today. There was some scattered storms pretty much all around the DC-Baltimore area towards our north and towards our south, but those are now diminishing. As I show you on the Skywatch satellite radar, the bigger picture, you can see those still some scattered storms down into the Carolinas, but otherwise things are drying out as we had a cold front that pushed through our area. That's going to allow for some sunshine to develop for the daytime for tomorrow. But taking a look at these regional temperatures, look at the contrast. 78 degrees here in Baltimore. Behind this cold front, 63 degrees in Pittsburgh and 64 degrees in Cleveland. We're not going to tap into that cold air mass, though, until Monday and Tuesday, because this boundary, this front that moves through, has become stationary, and it's going to stay right on top of Maryland, keeping us under the warm sector of that surface map. So showing you we are still going to see some rain showers throughout the weekend. Not going to be a complete washout, but we will still have that potential to see some thunderstorms in our area. So putting this into motion for you, that we'll wake up tomorrow morning with that hazy sunshine. The muggy conditions are going to stay with us, but in the heat of the day and the afternoon hours, both Saturday and Sunday, that's when we could see a pop-up rain shower and or thunderstorm in the vicinity. So right around 5 o'clock for tomorrow on Saturday, you can see towards Cockeysville, Baltimore, and even down towards DC, could see an isolated shower and or thunderstorm. Not going to be a complete washout yet again, but you will need to keep that umbrella handy. There will be some ominous looking clouds out there both Saturday and Sunday. Even a better chance on Sunday right around 5 o'clock towards Cecil County. You can see a line of showers and thunderstorms developing towards Wilmington and further north. But otherwise, things will remain pretty nice and sunny and dry throughout the weekend. There's that stationary front that's going to stay right on top of the state of Maryland. It will move towards the south and kind of move back up, and we're going to stay on the warm and muggy side throughout most of the weekend until this front officially pushes through on Monday. But if you are headed over towards the beach, looking very nice for most of the day. We'll have a slight chance for a thunderstorm to pop up in the afternoon. A high temperature of 77 degrees for Ocean City and Rehoboth Beach in central Maryland. Not too bad of a day. We'll stay in those 80s, a very summer-like day for tomorrow. 83 degrees with mostly sunny skies, but a chance of that pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon hours. The next couple of days not looking all too bad. We'll stay on the warm and muggy side both Saturday and Sunday with a slight chance of thunderstorms both days in the afternoon hours. A little bit of a better chance will come on Monday, but we cool down a little bit back into those 70s on Monday. 76 degrees for high temperature on Monday, and then things even get even cooler in the 7-day forecast, which I'll have that coming up in just a few minutes.